nothing going on. I'm very bored tonight. Murray's going to be late from work, so I might go for a walk, check out the pool, see what's going on with the pool. Thanks for watching, folks. Okay. I talked Trish and Ajana into walking with me down to the pool.
Let's go to the pool.
Let's go. Oh, we left the door open, Ajana.
Oh, yeah.
Whoops. You didn't want to do that. I'll send her to go clean it up. Or close it. Oh. This bored. Right, Trish? You bored? Yeah, me too. Ajana too. Okay. Let's go check this out. Walking. We're going for a short walk. Ooh. It's a little cool tonight. It's nice. Yeah.
Earlier it was hot.
We get to walk. I don't know where Trish went. There she is. She's coming up to the rear. We'll go check out the pool, see if we can see if people are swimming.
Yeah, let's see.
I don't know if they're swimming in there.
We're not sure.
We're not sure.
I don't like those dogs.
Yeah, I don't like them either. Not when they're loose. Especially when they're loose, you know. Well, it's nice tonight, huh? It's about 80, 85 degrees maybe.
Yeah.
Warm, beautiful. This area they cleaned up. Well, they didn't clean the trash up. They need to clean the trash up now. They got rid of the weeds. Well, we'll go up here. We'll see when we get there. Before there was a snake down here. Where'd the snake go? Probably dead. Look at all the garbage. Oh my God. Because it was buried in the weeds before, now it's all exposed.
There's no snake.
There was a snake before. It was dead, but
Maybe on that side there's a snake.
where, in the weeds?
Yeah, there.
Yeah, in the deep. They hide in the deep grass. If you see one, we'll get a video.
When I was a kid, I used to play here in the playground.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That was a long time ago, huh?
That's old. Like I was like 7 or 8.
But you guys didn't live here. How'd you get in?
No, it was I was have friends.
Oh, that lived here?
Yeah, friends. My friend's birthday.
Yeah, it's all rusted out. Oh, they
Yeah.
had a party at the
That
clubhouse?
clubhouse. And then sometimes mommy used to Zumba here at the clubhouse.
Oh,
dance.
that's right. Huh?
So I used to play there
That's
while
cool.
waiting mommy.
Now it's all rusty and ruined.
Yeah, old.
Yeah,
I used to climb
just
there.
like you. You used to play when you were like, is that a monkey bar?
6 or 7.
A monkey bar, huh? All right, well, we're going to go up here to the pool, so hang in. Going down the yellow brick road. Except it's not yellow brick, and it's not a road. Yeah, daddy. Wow.
Dati yung pinapasuhan?
Going down and up the trail. Looks like they were swimming already. Oh, they're playing badminton down here too. They got their badminton rackets. Yeah. There's the pool. I don't see anybody in it. That's not cool. Whoa. So they got the pool. It's all clean and ready to go. But I don't see anybody in it. There's nobody swimming.
Maybe an airplane, the end of the March.
Maybe,
They
huh?
told us.
Oh, that's what they said.
Told mommy.
Oh, they gotta wait.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully we'll be able to swim this summer.
Yeah.
Because I'm looking forward to it. Meanwhile, we'll have to swim in the ocean.
Yeah. On April.
Yeah, in April, we're going to Kapu Island. You got people hanging out. Something going on up there, we don't know. Badminton with no net. They just bat it back and forth. Want to walk down here and check out the basketball court? Want to check this out? I don't hear anybody playing. I don't think they're playing. We'll see how good these girls can play badminton. Whoa! They're practicing. They're trying to get better, right? So far? So far, one. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, 2 shots. 2 shots. 2. Oh, come on. Almost had 3. So the girls are going to stay and do some badminton. I'm going to go check out the basketball court. See if we can watch a little basketball. We'll see what happens. It's like a little 3-on-3 action going on. Little pickup game, maybe. That's cool. There's always somebody down here playing, so that's pretty neat, you know. Hopefully the wind's not blowing my... Oh, they love it. Huh? Very fun. So that's what's going on today. Is this Frankie? No, that's a Honda. That maybe Frankie was playing. Well, folks, I don't know. Maybe we killed a little time. Got a nice little walk. We live in a pretty quiet neighborhood, so that's good. I like it. I like it a lot. It's very pretty. Of course, the ground's all burnt and there's a lot of garbage that hasn't been picked up yet. But over the winter, they let it kind of go. The grass gets tall. People throw stuff into the grass. You know. Then the spring comes, or summer. It's not really 4 seasons. It's 2 seasons, but rainy and cold and hot and dry. That's the 2 seasons here. But anyway, I'll let you go for now. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like our videos, hit that like button. Ring the notification bell for future videos, and we'll see you in the next one, folks. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. God bless. Take care. Next time.